Standard push-ups. Push-ups are the fast and effective exercise for building strength when done in proper form. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, chest muscles and shoulders. Push-up is the best exercise that build both upper body and core strength. Push-ups are complete movement for upper body growth. They activate nearly every muscle in the upper body. Hindu push-ups or sliding push-ups. Hindu push-up is an excellent compound exercise that benefit the whole upper body by targeting the chest muscles, shoulders, back, triceps, spine and hips. Hindu push-up is a great alternative of standard push-up and will work as a game changer in body flexibility and muscle building. Practicing Hindu push-up will help in regulation of spinal fluid. Rocking push-up is a different style of elevated push-up. Unlike the normal push-up, with this push-up, rocking push-up, you raise your core in the air. The reason it is called rocking push-up because it looks like a horse bucking a rider off. And this is how you should perform this exercise. It not only strengthens the arms and shoulders, but also strengthens the arm and shoulder muscles but also strengthens the core muscle. Spider push-ups. It is an excellent form of upper body workout. This exercise is also great for core strength. Spider-Man push-ups works on chest, arms and shoulders along with your core and it also increases hip flexibility. Spider push-up also targets the core and oblique muscles. Decline push-up. Decline push-up will help increase the overall upper body strength. Decline push-up increases the intensity and difficulty of standard push-up. This advanced exercise will help you build shoulder, arms and core strength and is good for upper chest muscle. Incline push-up. Incline push-up is a very easy movement. It's especially helpful to those who just starting out push-ups and those who haven't developed the strength to do a push-up. Incline push-ups primarily work on chest muscle. Diamond push-up. Diamond push-ups are the perfect exercise for building the size and strength of your triceps. Diamond push-up is an advanced variation of standard push-up. Rolling bomber push-up. Rolling bomber push-ups are a hand release push-ups. While doing this push-up, you have to complete one push-up, then roll over and then do it again. This push-up will improve muscular endurance within the upper body, strengthen both muscle and bones. Always do warm-up before exercise. Warm-up will lubricate joints, prepare the body to execute sudden and explosive movement with ease. Follow the previous video for warm-up exercises.